What's up, guys？ 我是麦克老师，今天我来教大家如何翻译这些有趣的网络流行语。Alright, so today's lesson is very, very special. Very good. 我最近比较感兴趣学习中文的网络流行语，但是发现到好多我都不知道是什么意思，所以今天给大家翻译一下，把网络上最难翻译的单词给大家翻成英语吧。I want to remind you guys and girls that when you are studying English, it's very important to find a way that's fun and interesting to you. I want to recommend a great service to you today. Akasu. It's a really cool platform which I tried myself with 25-minute lessons, all foreign teachers, and it's super cheap. 一般的话只有一节课13块人民币，性价比这么高，可能你耗时时间长，学习效率不高，或者没有练习的对象，他们有各种不同的课程，你自己就可以控制要学习什么，也可以控制你什么时候要学习。 Click the link and get one free lesson. Sign up for a free course whenever you like. 就是那么简单。 I mean, you can't afford not to. And remember what I always say, a little studying every day leads to great improvement over time. Alright, so let's talk about our first 网络流行语. Number 1, 佛系。她是一个很佛系的女孩。She is so carefree. She is a very chill person. She is a very chill person. She's like, whatever. She's like, whatever.
Whatever.
Number 2, 小奶狗 small milk dog. 是不是？ Oh, that man is totally codependent. That guy is so clingy. That guy is so clingy.OMG, he's so cute, like a lost little puppy. Number 3, 小鲜肉，是不是 little fresh meat？ 那我算小鲜肉吗？应该不是，应该是老腊肉。Oh, so young and handsome. Oh, so young and handsome. What a hunk. What a hunk. Hunk 也有另外一个意思，就是一块。A hunk of meat 就是一块肉。Dang, he is so man pretty. Dang, he is so man pretty. Number 4, 你算哪小块饼干？ What on earth are you doing? What the heck? What the heck? You son of a biscuit. You son of a... Son of a... 社会我买个，人朗话不多。Number 5, 社会。Wow, that was impressive.Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that was so cool. Yo, dog, that was so gangsta. 这次考试才考了56分，凉了，不能出去玩。Number 6, 凉。This time I've really done it. I think I'm finished. That's it. I'm done for. That's it. I'm done for. Oh, I'm so screwed. Oh, I'm so screwed. Number 7, 放，跟晃差不多。Oh dear, I'm so frightened. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.I'm so scared. I'm freaking out right now.
I'm freaking out, man. You are freaking out.
Number 8, 戏精。我承认我自己是一个戏精。Oh, stop being such a prima donna. Come on, stop being so dramatic. Stop being so dramatic. Hey, drama queen, chill, alright? Hey, drama queen, take a chill pill, alright?
This has to be a joke. I do not believe this is happening. I literally am gonna die. I need an ambulance.
Oh no. Oh, we should film it.
Number 9, 杠精。Always the contrarian, aren't you? Ugh, you are so stubborn. Ugh, you are so stubborn. Why are you being so difficult? Do you just want to disagree for the sake of disagreeing? Number 10, 陈独秀。666. Nice work, but that's enough. No need to brag. No need to brag. Come on, seriously. Come on, seriously. Sit down and shut up. Sit down and shut up.
Sit down and shut up!
Sit down and shut up.
Sit down and shut up.
Sit down and shut up.
好的，我就聊到这里。如果大家想让我把其他的网络流行语给翻成英语，可以在下面给我留言，然后我就按照你们给我推荐的单词来拍视频吧。Don't forget to click the link for Akasu and try your free English lesson anytime, any topic you choose. You can't afford to not try. 谢谢大家的支持，别忘记订阅、分享、点个赞。我是麦克老师，下次再见。